creating a tropical oasis indoors with indoor plants. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Adding large leaf plants to your indoor space not only brings a touch of nature inside, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal with their lush, dramatic foliage. Your indoor environment will feel more tropical with the help of your well-maintained tropical plants. It is important to replicate their native habitat when growing tropical plants in your tropical sanctuary. In this video, I am going to tell you some excellent tropical indoor plants to elevate your decor. Number 1. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular choice for its unique perforated leaves and easy care requirements. Native to tropical forests of Central America, this plant thrives in bright indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Water it moderately, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Monstera can grow quite large, so ensure you have ample space for its sprawling leaves. Number 2. Bird of Paradise. The Bird of Paradise plant is renowned for its striking flower that resembles tropical birds. Its large, banana-like leaves are equally impressive. Native to South Africa, this plant prefers bright and direct light and regular watering, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. With proper care, the Bird of Paradise can grow tall and will add a touch of tropical beauty to your indoor space. Number 3. Heliconia or Lobster Claw. Heliconia or Lobster Claw or False Bird of Paradise is admired for its vibrant bracts and large paddle-shaped leaves. Originating from Central and South America, Heliconia requires bright and direct light and high humidity to thrive indoors. They need regular watering. Heliconias can grow quite large, making them a stunning focal point in any indoor garden. Number 4. Alocasia. Alocasia or elephant ears are known for their large heart-shaped leaves that can reach impressive sizes. Native to tropical regions of Asia and Eastern Australia, Alocasia prefers bright and direct light and high humidity. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. These plants can make a bold statement in any indoor space with their striking foliage. Number 5. Philodendron. Philodendrons are a diverse group of plants, many of which feature large, attractive leaves. Popular varieties include lacy tree philodendron and Philodendron znadu. These plants thrive in bright and direct light and needs regular watering. Allow the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. Philodendrons are relatively low maintenance and can adapt to various indoor conditions, making them a versatile choice. Number 6. Banana plant. Banana plants are known for their fruit and large tropical leaves. Banana plants require bright and direct light and high humidity. They need regular watering to keep the soil evenly moist. With proper care, they can bring a tropical feel to your indoor space. Number 7. Dieffenbachia. Dieffenbachia or dumb cane features large variegated leaves that can brighten up any indoor space. Native to the tropical Americas, the plant thrives in bright and direct light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Water it regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Dieffenbachia is known for its ease of care and adaptability, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Some other tropical plants are fiddle leaf fig, peace lily, bromeliads, snake plant, ZZ plant, Chinese money plant, spider plant, ponytail palm, areca palm, and string of pearls. Most of these plants like bright and direct light, well-draining potting soil, high humidity, regular watering, letting the top inch of the soil to dry out in between waterings. They need normal room temperature and regular maintenance. Incorporating large leaf tropical plants into your living room not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to a healthier, more vibrant living space. With proper care, these indoor plants can thrive for many years and transforms your home into a lush green tropical oasis. By these plants, take care properly, easily you can create a colorful retreat that not only brightens your interior design, but also boosts the quality of the air and promotes relaxation. If you like this video and it helps you, please click the like button. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.